What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So on this channel, the charts keep our emotions in check. The charts are our reality. That's the only thing I care about when looking at the BABA stock price. I only care about the charts. I don't care about the stimulus that they pumped out. I don't care about any war between China and US. Doesn't mean anything. As long as the price is going down, I'm going to be bearish. So we just saw a push up higher. What is the reason? What is the technical reason? Well, we can see that price was struggling to reach the opposite side of this orange range. So you see that it missed right over here slightly, led to a little rally, and then we came up short even more, and it led to a bigger rally or another similar size rally. So price was a little overextended for the EMA, and it was struggling to reach the opposite side of the orange range. So that's why price moved up higher. And also price broke outside of this $80 level. Usually the technical rules says when price breaks out a level, you expect 2 attempts by the bulls to come back inside that level if the breakout was towards the downside. If the breakout was to the upside, you expect 2 attempts by the bears to come back inside a breakout level. So this is the first attempt right here that failed, and right now we're seeing the second attempt. So this is still very bearish. Price is still working its way down. We're still below the $80 level. I mean, this has a long way to go to change this direction to the downside. We're still below this downward trend line. We have these measure move targets that haven't been reached, and a lot of times measure move targets can be reached. So this is still a very bearish looking chart. I guarantee you, well, I can't guarantee you anything in the market, but there's a good chance that price will probably push up higher and then continue to collapse down lower, something like that. Obviously, things can change, but as right now, this is still bearish territory. How can I just say that this is a bottom right here and we're going to continue to push up higher? I mean, it can occur, but that's very less than price just pushing up higher and then dropping down again in the future. So again, that's what I see for BABA. It's still a very bearish chart. I don't see a bottom probably until we hit the all-time lows. We can always bottom where we are right now, but again, that's lower probability. And we would need to see massive amount of buying, not a red bar just shortly after the move up higher. You want to see, something like this. You want to see this amount of momentum to the upside, like a lot of green bars, a lot of gaps to the upside. You want to see just market continue to push up higher. Right now, it's struggling to even, get above that $75 level. So it's still a very bearish looking chart. We have probably earnings report coming out sometime in February, and we'll have a better idea of how the company is doing overall. So let's take a look at the weekly chart. This week was bullish, overextended from the EMA. This is still in bearish territory because we're still below these resistance levels. The EMA, the trend line, and the $80 level with these targets in place, this is still a very bearish looking chart. Nothing really that bullish from it. Short term, maybe we do see higher prices to the $80 level. If that short-term momentum, continues to push up higher, then, things can get interesting. But as right now, it's still in the bear's court. So that's all I have for BABA on the daily and weekly charts. I'm looking at the charts. I don't care about any news. It doesn't really do much to the price action. I'm pretty sure there was good news throughout this entire downtrend. That didn't reverse the stock price. You can see that the earnings report has been green ever since this report back over here that came out February 24th, 2022. So it's already been like 2 years of green earnings report and revenues, except, sometimes they miss on revenue slightly, but green earnings. So again, it's still doing decent, but the price has not done anything. So the price is what we look at over here. So that's all I have for Bob on the daily weekly charts. If things change, I'll give you guys an update. Give you guys an update on Friday, but as for now, we could see push up higher. But it's still going to be in bearish territory unless we see a massive push up higher, or we could just continue dropping down right now. So this is still in bearish territory. Anything below the $80 level, I would need to see price break above it by a large amount, and then find support to push up higher. So this is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.